Right. Zoom out like this. Cool. Right. Evening, Isaiah. Evening, Chris. Stuart, Lan, other Chris, Shaz. Does that say Gianni? I think that says Gianni. Thomas, Ghost, Jordan, Tony, aka Top Cat, Clint, Tom, Frank, Leo, Lazy Queen, Tony. How's everyone, guys? How's everyone's days been on the charts? What have we all been up to? Oh. Evening, Mr. Dimmer, does that say? Yes, you said it right. Yes. Get in. As long as I said it right, bro, I'm happy. Some news came out that Iran hit a tanker, a US tanker, on the Strait of Hormuz. So we'll have to see what open brings us, because anyone who got in my signal today, I mean, look at that. Came down. I think it went down here before coming back up. Tapped us in. So I should probably do it like this, actually. It was here. Tapped us in, ran point. What even is that? Point like 0.9.2 R, and then what is that? That is just mental. So yeah, Trump just is what it is, I guess. Trump just wanted long, so that I guess that's what he said. But yeah, man, it's pain, but it is what it is. We just move on to the next one, I guess. But yeah, daily open strat. Let's go. Tom knows, man. However, Tom, we might be watching Craig's indicator here. I have no idea. Has anyone actually used it today? He's like updated it again, so I have no idea what to expect. Evening Leo, evening Lazy Queen. Shite today. Oh, evening Sadalam. What do you mean shite, Lazy Queen? Was it just everything was shit or shite or whatever? Mine wasn't great, to be honest. I felt like today was just kind of feeling out the market. It was weird. It's so weird. Bad test. What do you mean, Phoenix? Evening Nada. Evening Phoenix, you alright? Let's go, Jay. Any trades? Aaron, we're kind of looking, well, by kind of, I mean, I'm just waiting for opportunity at the moment. Where did we open this candle? No, this one. Yeah, we're kind of just waiting for like some opportunity or something. But I want to see where we go, where our impulse move is, and then, yeah. Evening, Crob. Great call earlier. Where do you get the latest Craig indicator? I can only find V7. Chris, it should say, when you whip it out like this, it should say over here, like there should be a purple cog. And if you click on that, it says, it will say just update. So, yeah, that's how I updated it. There's no like, say, it's not a different indicator, it's the same thing, he's just updated it. 2 losses, boo. Lazy Queen, I had 1 loss, as you saw by the signal, but yeah, weird loss this. I expected us to wick and just dump then, but Trump was like, "Oh, don't worry, guys. Yeah, me and Iran, we're having great talks." No, you're not. Just stop lying. Wagwan General, Wagwan Cameron. Ditto Queen. What does that even mean? Did anyone actually win much money today? I'm not gonna lie, today was just a boring day. Like, so boring. Evening Rob. 2 wins today about playtime. Lady H, I'm glad you got 2 wins. Especially after the week you had and stuff that happened to you before. You deserve it. Evening John. Can I Greg's wait, what? Oh, New Zealand dollar CAD sale saved my day today. What was it? I haven't even looked at any of that stuff. Can I book a call, mate? Yes, you can. Just go on the go in the Discord. There's gonna be people in here who know how to book a call with me, so just ask them, or go in Discord, message the CT assistant, message Adam, and then you can just get it booked in. Chris plays thumbs up, happy with that. Evening. Hoping tomorrow a better day. Honestly, I think the market just does the opposite of any trades I press. Casey, this happens a lot, like even to me. Sometimes you just get in, like for example, my signal. Sometimes you just signal stuff and news comes out, and that's kind of the environment we're living in right now. If like you can have a really good idea, I'd have all confluence, and all it takes is one tweet and you can just ruin your whole day, and that's what it is. But the best thing, Casey, is to just keep going, bring that confidence up, keep learning. In the nicest way, this is probably one of the hardest environments to trade in. Like for me as a trader, I only started like a year and a bit ago, and this is the hardest market I've ever traded. So yeah, Casey, I definitely think in terms of that, to not let yourself put yourself down or anything. Honestly, it is what it is. Sometimes things happen, and this is the market we have to do. We have to adapt every day to it, and yeah, that's what I love about trading, because you always have to adapt. Nice Lady H to Tony, my condolences. Set the indicator to Craig's settings. Which time frame is he using? I have no idea. Probably 3 minute. I think he told me 3 minute on DMs, but I haven't really messaged him much about it. Let's put on the 3 minutes, see what happened. Oh, well, that's nice. I mean, I'm keeping on the 3 minute if it's providing this and this. Yeah, we're keeping on the 3 minute, everyone. We will do daily open strat though. Don't worry about that. But I'm gonna keep this on the 3 minute, definitely. If it's providing signals like that, goddamn. I had a terrible day trading, I won't lie. Yeah, me too, Aaron. It is what it is. We'll just come back stronger, some days are just like that, Evening, Ashy, you good? Make 1k just. Nice. That's what we want to see, isn't it? Robski, that's happy days, isn't it? 1k and just get out. Hi Adam, good evening. Wait. Do you think I'm Adam? Oh no. Ain't no way, bro. Thinks I'm Adam. Game's gone. I find 3 minute more accurate. I guess we'll just stay with the 3 minute, Leo. I've had one of my best days. A lot of credit to Greg too. Yeah, Greg's been killing it recently. What a goat, man. Evening, Warren. Yeah, I think what we'll do. I've been tasked to get that lovely flag of yours. How many pretty pleases do I have to say to get it? Lon, who's tasked you to get it? Whoever's tasked you to get it. Whoever gave you the task will, whoever you say, I'm not at liberty to say, Lan, I won't give it to you unless you tell me who it is. I'll be so real. Because depending on who it is will make me give it to you or not. Because if it's a bet between 2 people, you tell me what 2 people it is, and I'll give it to you depending on if I give you that, and that's all. I've had one of my thanks Jay. Yeah, absolutely. I've heard from a lot of traders this is definitely the hardest trading times the last few months. Casey, it's just weird, isn't it? Like, how can I describe it? Before Trump, everything was kind of, you'd pull something and you'd see confluences quite nicely into it, and then you just get in. And like, if it's stop loss, it is what it is, and if it ran well, it is what it is. But now you can see all the confluences. It can run well, and then one tweet can just ruin it. Like if Trump says one thing, it's over. You know. So it is what it is. But yeah. Me too, I need your flag. Right. It's going to be Max, and no one's getting my flag, because I know it is him. Wait. This isn't 3-minute pivot time frame. No, Cameron, it's like it's whatever settings on the 3-minute time frame. I hate Max for doing this, you know. I'm going to start crashing out at him. You wait, he's getting a mean message tonight. Let's just say someone we all know put a ransom on your flag on a live today. What does that even mean? A ransom on your flag? What? There can be only one flag bearer? Yeah, exactly. Clinton, it's me. I'm the flag bearer. Don't ever talk about it. It's me. He's manipulating it for his family and friends. Wait, there's a bounty on it? No way. Oh, the goat Adam's here. My goat. Evening. Lon, what's the bounty? Evening Dylan. Evening Dean. Hand it over. Okay. Want me to order you a takeaway, bud, or anything off Amazon? Yeah, Michael. I'm down. Hand it over and nobody gets hurt. Evening, bro. You can have a pigeon on a flag? Okay. Well, I tried convincing Max, but he hasn't gone through with it yet. Okay. Okay. But anyway, let's so the daily open strat is basically in force now. But apart from that, when it comes to marking up stuff, all we've got, well, all I'll be looking at is if we push through the daily open strat, be looking at this sell zone actually. Let me have a look. Put you like this. This is actually quite nice because it would actually line up with the trend. Because we flip bearish now, a little retracing that would be nice. Let me grab. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm gonna have to delete. Oh god. Buy Craig's indicator. Put you on. Oh, what's it? Oh, hello. Nice little level in here. If Tony's in here, I'm gonna quickly change this so he just doesn't get mad at me. See, Tony, it's white. This is nice. Nice little golden pocket. What's in here? That's the daily. Daily plus, I think that says daily open as well, but I'm not sure. It's something behind there. The previous daily high is near it as well, up there. But let's. Previous daily, nice. I think that's daily open, daily, and previous daily open, which is nice. Plus GP. We could say plus trend actually, because of here. Plus trend. Because we did reject off of this trend line up here, so we'll keep this on. Because what we could see is price move to the upside now, which is nice. That buy zone I gave last night as well did really well. It's right now though, I do think we're going back down. I don't think that buy is good enough to push us up to the upside, but what I will do is make this a bit smaller, like that. So we just remember that. And then We are still in this range on the higher time frame, so what we could do is drag this up here, get you off. Nothing really lines up around here, which is kind of just a pain. Let me have a look. Yeah, there's not really much that lines up anywhere around these buy areas. Let's only thing like VWAP close the only thing in here, but for now I reckon we just kind of drag this fixed volume range on this 1 hour from like here to here, and we can get like value. This was value area low, and then we can look down here. But yeah, apart from that, I'm not really looking at anything else. I think that sell looks nice at the top around here. Let me zoom in, get rid of this, and then do this. Let me get the coordinates of this. Nice little sell zone around there. That's nice. Let's see if we can get a little buy zone in here. Little pull from here to here, little short term buy maybe. Now let's. Nothing really lines up in here either, to be honest. It's not great. Yeah, I can't lie, I'm just gonna wait. The best thing I think for us right now is that sell that I've just marked up. I don't really think a pullback buy would be nice. There's not really much that lines up in there. Like the point of control's up here. Not really much here. It's just a bit meaty really. But this sell zone probably is the best thing to look at. That's what I'd be looking at. Wait, no way. Oh my god, it's coming for our daily open strat already. Whoa. Well, I'll try to go into max, but it hasn't gone through with it yet. Ayo, I'm just happy you kept my indicator on. Got that exact level. Jay, what was the reason for your signal earlier? Los Blancos. The reason for my signal was, if you look back here on this, what's it called? If you look back here, so we kind of see like this cup and handle. I'll draw it on. So we see like this cup and handle kind of, what's it called? Like this is a cup and handle pattern, and what I wanted to see was us come down off this cup and handle like this, retest here, down, and then up like this, and I pulled the fib off this, that lined up with this low, targeted the 886, and then if you also pull a fixed range volume over this, from here to here like this, and you see with the value area high. So I really liked that sell. I thought it was a very good idea, and it did go well until Trump opened his mouth. So yeah, that wasn't great, but it is what it is. It happens. That's just, yeah, stuff happens, and then you just got to deal with it, and that's how I felt really. I like that sell. Any other day I reckon it goes well, but of course with what's it called, with the way Trump is at the moment, I don't know, not the greatest fan. I don't know why I just put Fu Manchu on, I didn't mean that. It's because V7 looks wrong. Oh no, I'm gonna have to update it all again. Oh Jesus. Oh well, I'll just hide that for now, so I can just like ignore that for later. There you go, Los Blancos. Why don't you just hide the indicators instead of deleting them? Saves you losing your settings. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, Blakey. I've gotten a habit of just deleting them. I don't know why. Deleting indicators. I don't know, teams. Some ungodly things going on here. I don't know. There's some things I just do that like I don't understand. Sometimes it just happens. I just like doing it. It's weird, but yeah, man. Like, I love the indicator, Tony. I use it daily. Yeah, same, Adam. 100%. I agree. Whoa, what's this candle? Wait, what? Whoa. Wait, hang on. 48486. 4. Okay, that's kind of the same thing. We'll put it on this down to. Is that where it is? 4487. 4485. Whoa. It's very different. Oh, it's because the bottom of this is going to be different to this. Got another dilemma. I'm probably going to go off this though, not going to lie. Oh well. Tony, the one made that Coles indicator? Yeah, it is Dean. I've just joined high or decent amount of experience but need to set trading view or similar, and by sounds of it, your indicator, Tony, what's the best way? Shall I set up a call with someone? Joe, probably set up a call with Adam. If you go on the Discord and click on CT Assistant, you can book a call with Adam. Do you think we're looking bullish for tomorrow? Cameron, I honestly, at this point, yeah, as much as bias goes, I look at I'll just look at the higher time frame, and higher time frame we're bearish, aren't we? So I'll be bearish every day, because all it takes is Trump to say one thing and then we're bearish again. So like we're just bipolar on the chart at the moment. Whatever Trump says, he'd be like, oh, Iran's gonna make a deal, flies up. Oh, never mind, Iran's bombed someone, goes down. It is what it is. Really unlucky timing on that trade. Blakey, I normally look at, so with my daily open strat, I normally look at the 86 here, target this, with my stuff like that, but I'm not sure, what's it called, if we'll come back up. We might do, but that looks like a nice trade. Evening just finished work, have I missed it? Matt, you haven't missed anything yet. The daily open strat hasn't been tagged. Thanks, Jay. You love the 86. I do. It's my favourite fib level by a mile. Fair. That would drive me insane having to do them again. Blakey, I'll do it right now. Hang on. I've just updated it. Let me check. Come on. So the way I use the settings, I normally remember it off by heart. So I think this is 4. I think this was unticked. This is 3 fade. 1.520, 200. This might be changed. There's a few things that I do know are changed, but I know this is fine. No, this is 1 hour. I'm trying to think about how Craig stuff works. Offset bars, right? I need to use my brain again, because sometimes I see stuff and I know it, but then like it's quite hard memorizing stuff, so I don't think I have it on my phone. Does anyone know where the settings are? Because I probably should have, what's it called? Probably should have saved this, to be honest, the settings, because I know this one's on. I'm trying to remember like what. I think is Dean in here? Dean, you must know what the settings are, don't you? I'm just going off what I kind of remember. This was 0.5 or 0.75. I'm gonna go 0.5 for now. This was definitely 3. These are fine. I'm trying. Oh, never mind. I found them. Now we're cooking. 9, 3, 30, 0, 30. Solid, 1, small, 1 hour traditional, 60. Oh yeah. Now I've got the settings now. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. I made the indicate. Wait. Oh, Tony's a legend. Squaddy mode in cage. J. Purge. Everything. I get it, bro. I got you. Nice one. No worries, Joe. No worries. I made the indicator, but I'm not the best at using it. Tony, how can you not be good at using it, bro? You're chilling, man. Don't worry about it. You're good. I'm probably gonna set a limit on this. Not gonna lie, but I'm probably gonna set it to trading view, not to what I've got on my fund on one of my fundeds. 4485.60 is entry. Stop loss is, we'll do 4486.6 because just in case of the what's it called, of the wick. And then what we will do is put you. Is this gonna be like this again? Is it? There you go. Happy with that. Cool. Sound. So let's ignore this because that's not what it looks like in trading view. We'll just do the trading view way. Put this like this, you like you, and then you down like you. Cool. Happy with that. We'll have to see if this trade actually comes up and tags us in. But yeah. If anyone needs to see what, well, that's if we don't get another low, to be fair. No, I mean the signal earlier with Trump opening his mouth. Wait, what did I say? Fair, that would drive me insane. Yeah, like it is what it is. I like the look of that last move for pulling the 886. Yeah, definitely. 886 goated for real, bro. Tony, best speak with Adam. Yeah, true. Adam's the goat, man. Just speak to him, he'll get you sorted. My goat, Max. You're my goat, Max. What did you say? Oh, if Max is still in here, what did you say about my flag? What did you say? Help chat. Yeah, help chat in Discord definitely. Offset is for how far the levels to show to the right. I think. Offset is 30. SLATR is 05. Cool. Which settings are you using as Craig posted loads on Discord? Can you send me ones you're using, please? Yeah, I can. HJ, I got you. Can you write it in the screen, Jay? Write what on the screen, Isaiah? Evening, Lork. You good? Isaiah, you on about? Max just saying capture the flag. We all regarding flag. We all raiding your gaff. Okay, what? Oh, sell limit. There you go, Isaiah. It could change though because we can make another low. Sorry, Max tried hustling the flag already. This guy. He's just jealous. Bro's just jealous that I took an opportunity. Saw that flag and I was like, that's mine. You are mine. You know that like meme? You are mine. That was just me. Looking at Bro's flag like, you are mine. You are mine. Damn. Yeah, Isaiah, don't worry about filling that in. If we create a new low, don't worry about that. Because oh wait, give me on the 3 minute. If we create a new low. Oh, wait, how many pivots are there? God damn! How do I clean up this again? Get this cleanup mode on. Forgot where the cleanup mode is on this indicator now. Oh my god, clean that. Clean up, get that disgustingness off my screen. Thank you. This a sell limit? Yeah, it is, Lork, But we're about to create a new low, so don't even bother. And if we don't, fair play, because we are very close to creating a new low. Jeez. Oh my god. God damn. Okay, thanks. 100k CT points to capture your flag. He DM me, haha. May get it underwater. Dean, if anyone comes to my house and tries to get my flag, I'll actually rate it, because I'll just give it to you. Because just the effort of you turning up at my door, I'll just give you the flag. I'll be like, yeah, go for it. How much has Max put on it? Does anyone know? Does anyone know, like, how much Max actually said to capture the flag? Like, how much? He's got to be paying money, else you lot wouldn't do it. Surely, right? Ain't no one coming to my house just for no reason. Sure, remember, that's like time, the effort. Max, much we getting? Okay, real. Any chance you're in Portsmouth? No, I've moved. I'm back home now. I'm in Cornwall. Obviously, I'm outside. Where? It's raining, mate. Careful. Don't want you to what's it called? Don't need to, like, you know, get cold out there. I'm in Northern Ireland. Yeah, I know, Dean. Unlucky, mate. What's it called? I'll be expecting you to get a flight. Thing is, though, yeah, Dean, if you live in Northern Ireland, yeah, and you get the flag, say you came over and got the flag, Max has to be paying you money. There's no way. The commitment in that. Glastonbury tickets were in the mix, weren't they? Were they? Yeah, Josh, I am. Royal Mail special delivery is then. Okay. But yeah, as far as marking up goes, apart from our daily open strat, not really looking at much except from this sell zone. That's literally it. This sell zone's really nice, but we'll have to see how it goes. Oh, come on. Up she comes. That's mad, me too. Whereabouts do you live, Josh? Cream or jam first? On a scone or a scone? Wait, is it scone or scone? You know what, Josh? If you turn up at my crib, I will give you the flag. 100%, Josh. Whereabouts in Cornwall do you live, actually, first? Because if you live all the way down the bottom, Falmouth way, yeah, bro, that's like an hour and a half away from me, I think. That's long. It'll be what's it called? I'll be proud of you though if you do manage to get it. If you do come up, I live. So you know where St Austell is? I live north of St Austell, so just up above St Austell, really. Get the flag, Josh. You're the closest. You know what though? Yeah, I kind of just like imagine he got all the way to my house, and I'm just like, yeah, I can't give you the flag, bro. Piss up with the money Max gives. 2 squaddies on. Oh god, no. Dean, no, we're not doing that. Could end up awful. Second scone, you said. Scone. People say scone. I don't even know how to say it, because if you remove the S, yeah, it's cone, innit? So is it scone or scone? I have no idea. Corsagini has gone, the others. Corsagini has scone, the others are scone. Scone. Okay, fair. Ooh. We are now just. Jesus. Thing is, though, with this, we're just waiting for their low now. At this point, aren't we? 100k you funded award? Frank, there's not a 100k you funded, mate. Just saying, so I think that's a lie. Sorry, bro. Sorry to bring it to you, pal. But me and Crypto Papa on the way for that flag. You know what, Isaiah? If you and Crypto Pappy come up to my come up to my crib. I'll happily give you the flag, bro. As long as we can go out for drinks after, I'm down. Bro, we're just mincing now. Look at this. God damn. Hi Jay, do you use Goat Funded? I bought a challenge today, my first one, so green as grass. I was trying to put a trade on, but couldn't see my rest when I entered my SL. Any settings I need to change? So Chris, what did you choose? Met5, Trade Locker. I don't know what the other ones are, but I've only used Trade Locker and Met5 with Goat. So let me know what you've used, Chris, and then I can advise you all after that. Mincing up. Lois, I know. As soon as you said that though, look at this candle. God damn. That's mental, isn't it? What are we doing here? We are just mincing, really. Mincing in this impulse move to the downside. Whoa, that's not mincing though. Damn. Whoa, what's going on here then? Oh, Met5. Right, Chris. So what you have to do... I'll close to the bottom. Yes, Josh, I am. Close to the bottom. Met5, Chris. So what you have to do is... There's different... Just type up on your laptop or whatever you got near you, like iPad, whatever, lot size calculator, and what you can do is you can put however big your account is, you can put like your trade in, and then put like how much you want to risk, like dollars wise, and then it'll give you lots for it. Or what I do is I go on, so I would always advise Trade Locker because you can see how much you risk. For example, I've got my entry stuff here, entry criteria and everything, and then I can just risk 600, and then it gives me the profit and loss for like the stop loss and then the take profit. Frank, this guy, bro. Okay, I'm about to crash out. Nah, you're not funny, man. This guy. Hey, Jack Whitehall, bro. This guy. Yeah, bro's just laughing. Okay. Not funny, man. Oh, wait, we are going to have to change our entry. 4485.4. And then stop loss will be 4486.80. 0.80. Cool. Happy with that. Hopefully we come up and actually get tagged in this. We're tagged in this baby. Ooh. Brandon told me to say that. Yeah, but Brandon's an old man, bro. It's fine, mate. Don't worry about it. Frank, I know what he's like. He gets a bit angry at stuff, doesn't he? Going through some things in life. Here's what it is, bro. Oh, hi, Brandon. Is this trade still on at 4485.61, or are we just still checking levels? Tell us a quick rundown of what you expect today, or the main levels. I saw that one at 4.5 is the main level. Cheers. So, Joe, I'm looking for price to come up to 4485.4. So I've got that as my entry. Stop loss is at 4486.8, and then my take profit's just where it should be for a consistency rule. So I wouldn't go off, like for example, it's just 2.9k because that's what I need for my consistency. But you can hold for longer, right? But for example here, all I'll be looking at, all I want to see for today or the day coming up is like either a move, either something like this. So we rejected from this bottom, right? So we'll either see where we are now, we're kind of mincing right here. So I want to see us either come down here or go up here and then come down eventually. So I'm bearish to the downside on this because we came down from this high rejecting. So I just want to see us carry on the trend of being bearish. So see hopefully if we go up here come down, or go up to this really nice level and come down. Either way, I want to see red. So that's literally, Joe, that's literally my plan going into tomorrow. Just see what happens, but hopefully get a retrace in Asia and then a dump down, or catch it on this or catch this sell off on the daily open, and then yeah, dump off from there. And we are coming towards our level now. Oh wow, we rejected. My Wi-Fi being got to jump on the phone, haha. But yeah, Joe, I'll ask Cryptopathy if he's up for it. My guy narrowed it down. He's in. What does that even say? Stenalese. What does that even mean? Hey Grandad. Yeah, real. Mincing it. Lewis, I know, bro. I know, it was mad. 15 pit stop. Yep. It's what we do. It's what we do. The daily open strat don't give you a big stop, because that gives you more risk to reward, you know. Legend, that was a top summary. Going to rewind that a few times. How mincing is defo the word. Joker. It's true though. Like, what is this? Like, we're just doing this. What is that? No one needs that, you know. At least come up here and tag us in, so then we can see what happens. But yeah, honestly, Joe, when you look at it higher time frame, we're bearish as anything. So just waiting for that nice pullback to then continue the trend is exactly what I'll be looking for. Especially after. The thing is, Mondays are normally. I love Mondays because they kind of make the format for the week. They show you what you're doing, and then like today, overall we are bearish, right? So with that, that's good enough for me. You know, I'm watching that bearish stuff go all the way through. So we'll just be looking at to capitalize on that. I'm expecting some new trader to full port this strat. Oh God, don't say that. It might make me cry, man. Jeez. Oh, I just realised Craig's strat would have lost there. Rev by. Well, not really actually. I would have ran 4R if, which is quite nice. Let me know what all you lot got up to today as well, because while we're waiting for this daily open strat, and we've pretty much marked up everything. Yeah, I'd rather know what you guys been up to. Hopefully we can come up like this. Give me that little move up here, tag that, and then just dump right down that would be lovely. Let's actually just draw on, so then we can just. That's an L arrow, isn't it? We'll give it a nice arrow. There you go. Let's hope this comes to fruition then. Actually, not while we're waiting. Now, all seriousness, I'm in Portsmouth in the next couple of weeks, seeing my mate. Was hoping you'd still be here so I can nab that flag. Cornwall 2 for Marriage. Did you manage to get your live chart share sorted, mate? Yeah, Massac, it's in my Discord thing. My Discord channel. So if you just click on my name, go to pinned, and it's in the pinned messages. So it's there. Max has just posted my results. Great day. Where in, Chris? I just don't like this at all. There's not really any buy opportunity, is there? Like, except from the 886 that I love that lines up, and there's not really anything. Yeah. It's not great. I reckon we just sit on the 3 minute because there's not really much anything else to do in terms of what's it called? In terms of that. had my ass kicked at the garage today. Some tyre fitters over tying locking wheel nuts. My job to sort it, apparently. Oh Jesus. Oi, Matt. I got my car back today, right? And so when my like when the guy comes to pick it up and they think like most people when they pick up a car that's broke down, they think like you know nothing about it, right? And they do all these checks and they're like, oh yeah. As soon as the guy turned up, I was like, oh, my battery's gone and definitely my start motor's gone, like 100%. I know it is. And he's like, oh, let's check it then. He checked it and was like, oh, the battery's definitely gone. And then he went, start motor seems alright, mate. I was like, it's not. Anyway, he towed it away. I picked it up today. When I walked in, they were like, oh yeah, so we switched on the phone and you said start a motor and battery's gone. Yeah, it was 100%. You're 100% right. Starter motor was gone. We got that redone. Battery was gone. Got that sorted, and I was like, nice. So that guy who came, who's meant to be an expert, was just awful. Brilliant. Oh, that made me giggle. Telegram. Oh, nice, Chris. I'll have a look after this. Are you sure when that trade went? It wasn't due to you and Greg causing the curse to continue. Wait, what? Did Greg signal as well, Lois? Nah, where was his signal? Was it the same as mine? Surely not. Well, maybe actually, Lois, maybe because me and Greg. If Greg did signal at the same time as me, right? Maybe me and Greg signaled, and then that caused Trump to then. Oh my God! Right. No, the curse has actually happened because me and Greg signaled that caused Trump to say that him and Iran are having like great talk and great negotiations, and then that was what pushed gold up. Oh, Greg ruined myself. Everyone who got my signal, it's Greg's fault. Pretty much, yeah. I'll add them to the Discord. Nice, Chris. Roadside thing. What are you driving? So Matt, I've got a Alfa Romeo Mito, a little baby. I've had her since I what's it called? I've had her since I started driving 17. But because I've done like a lot of stuff with her myself, I just can't let go of her really. I've done what's it called? Like I've put my own air intake in her and stuff. She's got her own turbo and that, mate. It's so cool. Honestly, cool, man. So like the turbo when I drive my car is just so nice. So I just can't get rid of her. She's too nice. She's on like 120k miles as well. I will just drive her into the ground until she dies. But like at the moment, right? So they fixed her, and then she's the type of car now where like she'll like you'll be driving. Oh, I'm in. Damn. You'll be driving her, and some random stuff will just pick up. Like for example, I was driving her, right, and she when I was driving her, her window wiper just stopped moving. So now I have a Mito that has one wiper working on the passenger side, but it doesn't work on the driver side. So basically, when I was driving in the rain earlier, one's wiping one side, right, and I can't see anything on this side. So I'm just like, what are we doing here? So funny. So that made me have a right giggle. But apart from that, she's grand, man. She's beautiful. But yeah, everyone, if that's Alpha Ritus, mate. Yeah, exactly, Lewis, exactly. Oh, goddamn. I'll be looking to move my stop loss once we run about £1,000 in profit. JP, yeah, Zaya did. I prefer Julia, much fatter. Yeah, to be fair, Julia is lovely. I do like Lotus as well. On the Julia, on like the back doors, you can click the handles are like by the windows. They're cool. That's so cool. I think that's so cool. But the thing about the Mito, yeah, is because mine's about 190 brake horsepower, right? It's a 1.4 litre petrol, and honestly, it moves like nothing, mate. It's so light. So on the motorway, I put my foot down. I can go about 130, and it don't feel like nothing. It's crazy. But yeah, honestly, the Mito will never. The problem is with my Mito, right? Is it's so like cool and so fast and so like rapid that I just never want to. I never want to leave it. Oh, there's a little 1R. I'm gonna move. My stop loss to break even, I reckon. So off the daily open, that's a 1R on our strat. Happy with that. Everyone should be at break even now. Haha, alpha. Alpha life, mate. That's all. Yeah, exactly, Matt. It is, mate. The best thing I've ever seen about an alpha, right, is it's so like, how can I describe it? It's so just its own car. So, some of the stuff that comes up with it is just stupid. It's funny, but it's like, you don't buy an Alfa Romeo, yeah, for the like you just buy it for the engine, don't you? In my opinion, I just bought the Alfa Romeo because one, the guy who made Ferraris was part of Alfa Romeo. So I know the engine's going to be sick. And mine's 2012, yeah. So that was before they made the engines a bit less. They're not as powerful as they used to be back in the day. So my one is just mad. Like, oh, bro. I just whenever like I put my foot down in it, yeah. All you hear is like, oh my god, such a good car, man. I don't ever want her to die, but I know she will because all Alfa Romeos die, don't they? Let's not sit here and lie. But yeah, they are just beautiful, beautiful cars. My mate has a Julia Quad Cirrus car. Yeah, true that, true that. Jay and Greg versus Trump and Iran. Please don't. I don't want to get bombed. Tapped in. Yeah, Robski. You should be at break even now. I'm in on a short. Nice, Chris. You need a quadrifolio? Actually, I don't want one, and there's a reason for it. So I've been told. Well, my stepdad's really into quadrifolios and like Alfa Romeos. He's had Alfas his whole life, and he told me when he went to the garage. So he has like his like best mate owns a garage, and he gets all like the feedback from everything. So when he wants to buy a car, he just goes to him and asks what's wrong with them. And the problem with quadrivolios is the electrics in the car go, but like they go so often, but only in like really awkward positions. So like for example, the quadrifolio has a really nice like inbuilt screen, and the electric goes on them all the time. So you'll be driving, yeah, with your music on, and the what's it called, the circuit will just get shorted, or it will just become an open circuit, and it will just get destroyed, and you have to just get it fixed every time. There was one guy who had a quadrifolio, and he went in that garage 5 times in 4 months to get the same thing sorted. So if I was going to buy one, I'd be very cautious on that. It's not great. But thing is though, with me, I don't really not I don't really like, but I just don't want to buy another car until I'm forced into it. You know? Is it the electric blue color? No, it's red, Lewis. I got bead on buys twice this morning after 1-to-1 before it shot up the chart. You want the V8 that's in my Alpha Montreal? Oh, Lois, don't talk to me like that. Oh, V8. Holy FOMO, yeah, real. Log, so real. I have a Julia. I have had to fix the screen. Yeah, see, it happens every time, man. I think it is just like what's it called? It is just like a thing with Alfa Romeos with screens. They just the electrics within them just break up or something. I was in pasture in an S5 last week doing 140 miles an hour, and I know he had a puncture in his right rear, so I was bricking it. What? Chris, why didn't you tell him? Jesus. Chris, I got a funny story. So when I went to drive home in my Mito with my missus, it was the first time we were going home to see my mum and stuff and my family. And we got about an hour away from her house. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to get home. Yeah, 4 or 5 hour drive-ish. And literally an hour in, I hit like this. So you know when you go over like those bumps. So say you're on a motorway and then you come to like a roundabout, you get those bumps, like those speed bumps where it just tells you to like slow down. Obviously not actually speed bumps, but it just goes like dum 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 on your tires. I could just hear like a very loud bang in my left rear tire, right? And I can just hear dum dum, but like a lot louder than anything else. And I was like, hang on. So I pulled into Starbucks, right? I remember I just turned around. I like got out of my car, turned around. And I was like, it's not that rear tire. Walked over to the passenger rear. Mate, my tire was just gone. My tire was just obliterated. All I saw was just rim. I was like, yeah, bro, mental. So yeah, that was not a fun day. Not a fun day at all. Wasn't great. But it is what it happens, doesn't it? Like I don't even, because I remember before I do a long drive, yeah, I check everything. I check all my pressures, all my oil, everything, right? I checked it all. Tires were fine, oil was fine, pretty much everything was top, ready to go. And I remember just like getting that hour in and hearing that, and I was like, how has that even happened? Oh, yeah, I've been tagged RB, by the way. That's crazy. I bet he didn't care. Probably, Chris, to be fair. Probably. Well, that was. What did that run? 1.4R. Decent. Happy with that. Me too, I'm out. Yeah. The daily open strat is very hit. It does hit, but sometimes it will go like 1.4R, or it will go. You know what I mean? It will go whatever. It just honestly it just depends on the day. Sometimes we'll get like an insane trade. Sometimes we'll just get like a 1R. But look, they all count. That's the main thing. So yeah. Uh, Alex looks different. Okay. Yeah, out at B, snuck a 10% partial though. Yeah, I always say when we get to 1R, just sneak a partial in, because like I always take, obviously on funded it's different, and I'm testing this funded with this I'm testing like my daily open strat on this funded. Down 12% on account. Ah man, we come back stronger next time. What? 12%? What? How? Yeah, exactly. Look, like you got to remember if we take TP at 1R, right? Every time we hit 1R, it will be like, for example, if you just took 1R as a daily open strat, that's what 2R in 2 days. That's 2%. You know, if you're risking 1%, it's good. Now, not 12% from this one trade lol, but from this account. Jesus, Isaiah, that's mental. Well, you'll get it back, bro. Come on, man. Let's cook. I have a 530D and they scrubbed the side well bad. I thought I had a puncture once, and the bloke said, "Come and have a look." About 6 inches of steel showing in the inside, and the tire was gone. What? Yeah, Chris, I couldn't deal with that, bro. That just crashed me out. The main thing is, yeah, is because I think most people who love cars, yeah, they've worked on cars before, right? So when someone tries to educate you on cars and you know exactly what's wrong with it, you just sit there like, just don't waste your breath, bro. It's fine. Like, we get it. I swear a lot of people just think not many people are knowledgeable anymore. It's mental. But for someone who loves cars like me, and definitely like most of you in here, we just love it, man. But yeah, I think that's the daily open strat done. So that'll be us done. Let me know how you're getting tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow with the new daily open strat. I'm hoping we get a banger soon, because see how we're cooking up. We're getting the 1Rs. We're just not getting that what's it called? That like outrageous move. But so yeah. I used to love cars until I work on them every day. Matt, I agree with you. When I used to work on them a lot, I used to get bored of them. Got to be knowledgeable these days. Too many cowboys about. Agreed, Lan. Agreed. But yeah, everyone have a good evening. I hope you all have a profitable day tomorrow. And let's let's smash the charts, man. But I'll see you all in a bit. Had a budget one first time. It rained. I only lost it. I had them all changed out. Jesus Christ, I was mental. But yeah, in a bit, everyone. In a bit, Luna. In a bit, Chris. In a bit, Clint. Lazy Queen, Chris, Shaz, Lan, Dean, Matt. I'm the cowboy. Leo, Tony, Ashy. See you in a bit, guys. Cheers.